Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat Sangma hene kasi ulalit jingo iya kayo di Madan Hapulo habaya kren bekinong thok khobor Ukonrat uloong bana kalyang ka Sorkar wat lala don kijing Henry kidang persyang banle kat kabala ban pet ya kani kijing bad bakan long biang na kubenta baro Menteri Rangba ula Kyntu kipat ba Jingiatreilang bad ban yat chekmat ban penlong bad Wanrah kanong ba shilong kaba lat na kijing bad ban yo Jingmyntoi lang Shushu loong ba ka Jingiatreilang kinong syong di Madan bat ka Sorkar ki he officer ka Wanrah ka jingsuk hakayat ka yeng kipat ba Henry dang don sa katukat ni kijaka ki ba patla ban penbet ki jing Henry kermen bada ka Jingiatreilang kinla ban pen urlong
सबको मिलेगा खाली आज एक दो को हम लोग खाली चेक दे रहे हैं बाकी आप लोग का अकाउंट भी जाएगा 10,000 अभी और 2,000 5 महीने We are doing our best. We have constraints under which we are working. We have challenges because the court also is there that has given strict instructions. So we have to comply with that too. So in all of this situation and all of these concerns that are there, we are doing our best to balance things out. I once again through the media also would like to urge to everybody that let us try to find a compromise, let us try to move forward, and as I said, this is being done in the larger interest for the city as a whole and for all the public. As you can see that by doing this, a lot of our streets now have cleared up. A lot of the pavement which was blocked earlier has been opened up, and this has only been possible, as I said, because the hawkers also have been supportive. The officers have worked very hard. Balance has been struck, and some way or the other we have come together. So now a few locations more. We hope the same will be achieved.